folks, I have an Alto ukulele to show you today. And everything about this is pretty standard for me except the tuning. This is a customer supplied tuning. Its lowest note is a B, and then it goes up to C sharp. So it's kind of like ukulele tuning, but up a third. So instead of the top note being an A, it's C sharp. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. It's got like a sparkly, shimmery, it's almost like a cavaquinho kind of sound. It took some engineering to get the string set right. Yeah, basically it's 3 normal strings just in a weird spot, except for this one's a really thin string to get the high C sharp note. And so the body is some nice Myrtle. It's actually turned out pretty curly. This is from the Carpenter Ant Stash in Portland. It's got a really good book match on it. Yeah, no binding or anything. And then the neck is some simple Douglas fir. And then this is some really dark pistachio up front. And then the customer wanted a 1.5-inch nut. And a little walnut bridge. Very simple. So geared tuners, bone nut and saddle, radius fretboard, and then these custom fluorocarbon strings. And that is number 940. Cheers.